Hi guys, what's up? It's me Parth and today I'm going to show you how to make any aura. Okay, so for this one I'm going to be choosing Goku's Super Saiyan Blue aura as I like it the most, and I'm going to do it without a drawing, and maybe next time I'll upload it with drawing. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw the basic shape of the aura, and it is going to be like fire. How fire is, just you can draw some lines like that, and I'll show you how I have done it. Okay, so this is how to do it. And actually, if you can't see the lines, I'm going to darken it up using the soft pastels. If you want, you can use color pencils for this too, but I would recommend using soft pastels as it gives better blending and it shows how the aura is exactly done. Okay, so this is the outlining part. Now I'm going to take the same blue color and I'm going to apply it very lightly. So you cannot apply it lightly, just apply it very less, because in soft pastels, even if you apply the same pressure, the amount of color is going to come the same. So keep doing that and I'll see you guys when I have completed doing this entire thing with the blue color. Okay, so after you are done, you should get a figure like this. Then take the darker blue shade and carefully give it an outline. Now I'm telling carefully because if they two mix, nothing will happen, but it might spoil the entire aura. So just go ahead and give it an outline. So you need 3 colors for Goku's Super Saiyan Blue aura, which is of course light blue, dark blue, and also white. Now we need white because if we want to add any highlight to the aura, or if we want to reduce the color, you can use white. Okay, so because you are using your hand, it might smudge and you have to smudge, so the boundaries might go off. But that's okay because after the aura is done, we are going to add it back using our color pencils. Or for the matter, if you have markers, use markers as well. Okay, so after this I'm just going to add another layer of blue just to give it a bit shading. After that, you want to carefully take the white, okay, because not many people can take the white color and bring it back from being white. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking a very small portion of my white color. Okay, so I'm taking this portion and I'm going to just lightly apply it in the middle. Okay, so as you can see, by adding white, now we can clearly see the difference. So it makes the drawing look a bit more nice. Now if you have purple, you can just go ahead and apply it very lightly on the darkest shade. Now I'm telling you to apply it very lightly, or else it might take the entire attention. The entire aura might become purple. So you don't want that to happen, right? Okay, so now I have some powder left, so I'm just going to apply that to create a shading. Now also keep in mind that you have to keep a paper, or else it will just smudge the entire paper like it happened for me. But after that you can use an eraser. So after that is done, I'm just going to add some lines with my color pencil to make it look like aura. For this purpose you can use the soft pastels as well, but just for the reason that it smudges off, I am going to use the color pencil. And also keep in mind that you have to spray a certain spray, I don't remember the name, but if you don't do that, the color will just stay like this, and after you spray it, the color, like, it won't smudge and all that funny stuff won't happen. So yeah, also keep in mind that when you have used the white, you might have to clean it with some cloth as the blue color has come on it. So I will erase it and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so this was it for drawing the aura, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.